Hey, what's up guys, this is Art and this is my commission funnels review and bonus. Now I'm giving away almost $3,000 worth of bonuses, which includes free resellers licenses to my own software products, and only these resellers licenses are worth well over $500. Okay, so first of all, I just wanted to show you my bonus to commission funnels. It's one of the biggest bonuses you'll see out there too. So first of all, you're gonna get a resellers license to 3 of my top selling products: Instavid, Traffic Trapper 2.0 and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. Now these alone would cost you $500. You're getting all 3 for free. Now I have a ton of software bonuses and W's of the Day awarded courses, Affiliate Traffic Lab. I have 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Now this is something that I normally sell as an OTO to my own products. You're getting it for free. You're getting all of these W's of the Day awarded courses: $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, coffee shop method, 2000 CPA traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, commission magnet, commission blueprint. You can go through all of these. You're getting softwares as well: WP video attention, viral click, affiliate advantage plugin. You're getting all of these plugins: squeeze page creator, giant plugin biz. So that's a total of 28 bonuses worth $1,275, plus you're getting my mega bonus on top of it, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and these are 45 plus W's of the Day awarded courses. Now that's a total of $2,775, and you're getting all of this for free if you'll decide to pick up this product through my link today. And again, just the reseller licenses are worth over $500. Now again, this is my commission funnels review, and this is an amazing product any affiliate marketer should grab. So if at any point you would like to grab your copy, you can just click on these blue links right here, or if you're watching on YouTube, you can click on the first link in the description and go ahead and buy it. Now, even before we're gonna jump into the review of this product, I just wanted to show you the alternatives to commission funnels. Now, commission funnels will be a one-time price of like $27. The alternative to it is either ClickFunnels, that will cost you $97 per month, or even $297 per month, or I'm using Optimized Price because this is a one-time price, but I still had to spend $300 on it, and the lowest price for it is $97. So just keep in mind, when it comes to the alternatives, they are either a monthly payment, which down the road will cost you a lot of money, or they will cost you at least $100, hundreds of dollars if you want the pro version. So with that being said, let's jump into this review of commission funnels. Let me tell you all about it, and let me show you exactly what it is. I'm going to show you some examples. We're gonna have a demo, and we're gonna go through all of the upsells as always. Okay, so as you can see, it says commission funnels, game-changing software, allows you to copy and paste super affiliate funnels for instant commissions, 0 monthly fees, as I already told you, newbie friendly, and it's 100% done for you. So even with the alternatives, ClickFunnels, Optimized Price, you're not getting done for you funnels, done for you affiliate marketing promotions. This product, commission funnels, includes 15 done for you fully prepared affiliate marketing funnels, which means that all you have to do is add your affiliate link and everything else is done for you. You can start making money with this as soon as you hook it up. Okay, so let's just scroll down. Commission funnels is the easiest way to become a super affiliate in record time. They got some proof right here. So you're gonna be getting these done for you funnels to Commission Gorilla, to IG Money Tree, to Animator, to Mobifirst. So Glynn, the guy behind the course, actually picked some evergreen products for you, and he prepared all of these pages for you. So again, all you're gonna have to do is add your affiliate link to it, and these pages will be created with the whole funnels automatically for you, and you just have to send traffic to them and profit. Okay, So commission funnels is essentially a bonus page creator, but it's brilliant because most of the work is already done for you. So again, you can use other page creators to do it, but all of these other page creators are not geared towards affiliate marketing and make money online and the internet marketing niche. Now commission funnels that's why it is so easy to make money with. Okay, so scrolling down here, they got some testimonials, obviously. Commission funnels, this is the name of the product, and again, this is 100% done for you, highly profitable affiliate funnel. So you're getting the bonus page creator, thank you page creator, so obviously you can create these pages yourself from scratch from the templates, but you're also getting the done for you pages, which again, you just have to add your link to them and make money. Okay, so about bonus pages, if you are doing any kind of affiliate marketing, a bonus page is a must. So every single affiliate out there is adding bonuses to any affiliate promotion, just like I am doing in my video. So obviously I have a blog and I'm doing this on my blog, but if you are an affiliate marketer that's only starting out, you don't have a blog, you don't know how to set everything up, you don't know how to do the design, etc. You will need a product like this because again, it's 100% done for you. These guys will add some bonuses, so you have all of these bonuses that come with the main product, and obviously you're gonna get all of my bonuses on top of these ones. So 30 days money back guarantee. As always, they have a couple of prices. So as you can see, is either $17.97 or $19.97, which is a huge difference because this is a one-time price comparing to optimized price at between $100 and $300, and ClickFunnels being a monthly payment. Now this is a one-time price. Obviously this is a early bird pricing for the launch only. The price will be going up. So that's essentially it when it comes to the sales page, and I just wanted to show you the inside. This is where it gets exciting. Okay, so first of all, you're going to get complete video training on how to use the software, how to make money with it. So we have the videos on how to create your commission funnel, how to deliver bonuses via JVZoo, via Warrior Plus, how to create campaigns for any product, service or launch, how to share and upload your funnel, word art shortcodes, then also how to add a Facebook pixel, some advanced training, how to add Facebook comments to your funnel, how to add a Facebook Messenger to your funnel, how to create social proof pop-ups, and much more. So this is just the video training that you're getting, and this is the inside of the members area. So again, what you're gonna be able to do is create pages just like this one, either from scratch or from templates, or you're gonna have some pages that are ready for you. So you can see you can edit all of this. You can add your logo, you can edit this text, you can add a video if you like to do a review video of a product. What is the product about, some features, you can add screenshots from the JV page. Obviously you can edit all of this text, you can add a demo video, you can add your bonuses. So this is something that will just skyrocket your conversions when it comes to any affiliate marketing promotion. We have a thank you page as well, so obviously you can edit all of these as well, where this is where you deliver your bonuses, and essentially this is what you deliver to the people that bought. Okay, so these are just a couple of examples. Again, you can edit these pages, you can create them from scratch, and you're getting 15 done for you promotions, which means that all of this is already filled out. All you're gonna have to do is just add your affiliate link right here to this button, and you are done. You can start making money. Okay, so this is exactly what you're getting. Obviously, we have the dashboard right here. We have my profile. I'm just logging again. You can edit your profile, then you have the bonus builder app, then we have the done for you funnels 1 and 2. So these are the done for you funnels, both with sales pages and download pages. As you can see, we have the funnel number 1 and number 2. Then we have conversion tools. This is for Facebook pixel, for Facebook comments, for Facebook chat widgets. You have the email swipe. So obviously these 15 done for you promotions come with email swipes. You have all of this inside, and then again we have the training just to show you exactly how to make money with all of this. And as you can see, these pages look amazing. These were designed by a professional graphic designer. They look amazing, you know, intuitive, and they will just skyrocket your conversions every single time you use them. Okay, so this is essentially what you're getting, you know, a done for you package. You know, again, comparing to ClickFunnels or OptimizePress, the price alone is amazing. The fact that you're getting done for you pages and affiliate promotions with it is amazing, because normally people are charging like at least $47 for the done for you stuff. You're getting this included in the main product, and you know, you're getting the video training and everything else. Just a complete package for anyone that wants to make money online as an affiliate marketer, or is already making money online but just wants to have less work and just skyrocket the conversions. Okay, so definitely a must-have tool for any affiliate marketer in any niche. And right now let's go through all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, the main price is between $17 and $27. Now this is the early bird price. Keep in mind the price will be going up, and again, this is just a fraction of what you would pay for any competitor. We have upsell number one, $97. I'm going to show you exactly what they are in a second, but let's go through the pricing. So we have $97 for upsell 1, $97 for upsell 2, $97 for upsell 3, $67 for upsell 4, and $197 for upsell 5. And you know, I have all of this listed on my blog right here below, the bonuses, so you can check it all out. So audio number one, commission funnels unlimited for $97. This essentially allows you to build unlimited pages. You have additional templates. You can also display unlimited bonus products on these pages. And you have access to premium suite of bonus products. So that's $97. Audio number two, we have commission funnels, done for you funnels, so $97. A complete done for you package you can download and start making money with, and you're getting 10 done for you packages. So obviously you're gonna get some done for you packages inside the main product. These are additional done for you funnels. Audio number three, commission funnels, automated traffic flow. Now, essentially what this does, it allows you to add your Google Pixel and Facebook Pixel on the sales pages of best-selling products from Glynn, Kosky, the guy behind the product, which means that you can funnel the traffic out from his pages and start retargeting these people with any kind of an affiliate promotion. Audio number four, commission funnels, converting boosting tools. Now that's $97. And again, what you're getting here is additional tools that will help you to sell more. You can add your Facebook ads pixel, you can add Facebook comments, chat widget, exit, pop-ups, everything that I just showed you. You know, this is not included in the main price. This is audio number four for $97. Audio number five, commission funnels, triple threat traffic training. Now this is training, this is not a software. So essentially they will show you 3 different ways of getting extra traffic. So unique traffic multiplier, then you get create 2 lists in one, and then instant monetization. That's the 3 different traffic methods, $67. And the last one, audio number 6, we got commission funnels license rights, which essentially means that you can sell this product as your own together with all the upsells and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Okay, now guys, I am going to show you my bonuses again, because my bonuses are worth almost $3,000. Again, you know, just the first bonus is worth $500. Again, you're getting a reseller's license to 3 of my own software products. Okay, Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. Now this is by far one of the biggest bonuses for sure that I've seen out there to commission funnels. Now you're getting all of these Dollars of the Day awarded courses that I mentioned, plugins, software. So Affiliate Traffic Lab, this is a piece of software. You're getting 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. This is something that I'm selling as an OTO. Again, I already showed you all of these Dollars of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses and products. You know, plugins, software. Again, you're getting all of these, and my mega bonus on top of that. So let me open this page and let me show you what my mega bonus is. What my mega bonus is additional 45 Dollars of the Day and Product of the Day award-winning courses. Okay, so that bonus alone is worth $1,500 if you would like to buy all of these, you know, and pay for it. Okay, so you're getting all of this for free. just as a thank you for picking up commission funnels today through my link. So I hope you see how powerful this is. I hope that you see, first of all, that you're going to boost your conversions. Second of all, that you're going to save a ton of time. Thirdly, you know, the done for you stuff is amazing because this is evergreen. This is something that will convert very, very well. And all you have to do is add your affiliate link. And lastly, you will save a ton of money just, you know, if you're comparing to the competitors, you know, Optimize Press, ClickFunnels, any other page creator. And keep in mind, commission funnels was created with an affiliate marketer in mind. So, you know, all of these other tools, you know, they are created simply for businesses. So for local businesses, for online businesses, not specifically for affiliate marketers. Commission funnels is created with an affiliate marketer just like you in mind. And, you know, the done for you stuff, again, just blows my mind. So guys, make sure to pick it up from my link today. It goes live today on the 28th of July at 9 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to show up early to get the early bird discount and use my link to get all of the bonuses, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section, and I will be seeing you very, very soon in the next video. Ciao!